Hey guys, welcome back. I have got to do this unboxing for you. All I've done so far is take these goodies out of the box and slip them out of the tissue paper very carefully because my plan is to craft with this tissue paper. It's super cute. All right, so, and I will have links right on down below for Color Rush Studio. There's a big sale going on, at least the moment I'm filming this. So you guys, go over there and grab some embellishments, like, for such an affordable price. All right, so let's jump into this. I'm gonna move this carefully aside. Now, what do I wanna start with first? I'll start with this first. Okay, the first set of treasure I'm gonna show you is I've got some embellishments, regular embellishments that are on the club, and I also have, not on the club, on the website. And I also have the Bold and Basic 2 paper line that I wanted to show you. Guys, why are we having that glare? Probably because I have way too much screen in here. Okay, so there was a Bold and Basic one, which is fantastic. So now she came out with another one for us to play with. And it's so, so usable. Okay, so this one we've got some orange, and I haven't looked through it yet. And we've got orange, we've got yellow. It's like this section of a paint swatch, but it also has plaid through it, which I think is incredible. And then, you know what? I'm going to tear these all apart to show them to you. Give me one moment. All right, guys, let's get right back into it. So we've got our plaid like we talked about with the yellow, right? Then this side, and the back sides, A sides, B sides, I don't even know which is what with this paper collection. They are all black and white. And I love, love, love black and white bold patterns. So it's awesome. Oh, guys, my hands flap a lot, sorry. All right, so, and we've got these little swirlies, which is fabulous. Reminds me of the old school telephone cords. The next one we have, this is really pretty. It's subtle. It's kind of like a seafoam minty color going up on this soft pattern. How cool is that? And then the back side, it's all of these arrows and they look hand-drawn. It is so cute. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what I want to do with this yet. It's so cute. All right, let's see what this one, ooh, so we've got these beautiful aqua going into these purpley bits and they're watercolory, and then we have stars that are in white on it. Makes me want to get a star stencil out and play. Okay, oh, and the back side says, and I cannot pronounce anything in French, guys, L'amour. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to say it properly. I don't have the, anywho. So it says L'amour a bazillion times. So cute. Oh, this is pretty, guys. There's bubbles. Bubbles. Okay, so we've got the purples and the aquas, and we have a little bit going into this tealy kind of a color, but we have bubbles on a diagonal. That is so cool. Oh, and then the flip side, we have like scratchy circles. Do you see how like some are like scratched both ways, and then we have some just going very cool. Okay. Oh, guys, I love this one. Love this. Look at this print. So we've got a really nice deep daffodil yellow, and a nice rosy pink. And it's like a mottled kind of a pattern in there. Gorgeous. Oh, and a perfect plaid. Wonderful. Guys, these plaids are so great. It's a diagonal plaid. I love it when I want to matte something with it, and you can do like that much and it looks fabulous. Okay, so we have that. Next, very cool. So we've got these like indigo-y magenta tones on graph. I mean, come on, that is a very cool piece of paper. And then the flip side, ooh, very bold. So the repeating circly kind of like graphic vibe, very bold. I like that. So this is gorgeous. We've got like some beautiful rainbow colors with some white space. We can see some splatty bits in there, and it looks textured. It's very smooth, but it looks textured. Oh, and the flip side, I don't know why, does this pattern make you guys think of stained glass? It totally is vibing that for me. Ooh, is this my favorite? So we've got like this plaid, right? But we've got these different tones of blacks and blues splotching across. I want to do more mixed media on top of it. Yep. Yep, 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 yep. Oh, and then this one is just scuffy, 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 black on white. Very cool. It looks like very hastily painted white paint. So we've got a couple, there's like 3 tones of pink in here, but you can see through it these brush lines. So stinking clever. Oh, and then white with black stars. The most usable thing, you know, ever. And then, ooh, guys, look at, so we've got the sea foam going on. We have got like more of an indigo color, and it's going into like some aqua, pretty, pretty. And we've got these little beautiful like splat bursts. Very cool. Oh, cute. So it's white with, you know, we've got the stripes, but there's little hearts. So cute. Ooh. Look at this, guys. It's wood grain. So wood grain going from pink into blue. We've got a crossing over a little like violet kind of situation there. Love the wood grain. And then a houndstooth. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I love houndstooth. Ooh, and now we have this whole rainbow thing. We've got lines through it. And I don't know, I'm sure it's not supposed to be, but it kind of reminds me of a birch tree. Very cool. I am pro birch tree. And then this side, oh, gorgeous. Flocked wallpaper. All day, every day. 1974, yes. Anywho, let's not talk about my foyer when I was a kid. It was groovy. All right, so we have all of these gorgeous pieces, right? And then I was needing some bright happiness to go with this. I'm gonna spread it out a little bit so you can see what we're thinking to play with this. I have got an alpha, and these are all in the store a la carte. This is a paper pack. It's called Bold and Basic 2, but then you can buy things. So these are foam and cardstock letter stickers. They are called stories. They've got white foam on the side. They're a nice smaller size, but quite like bold and upright. And I always like to count my R's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because you know things are good if you have enough R's. That's my thing. We have a nice little @ sign and some punctuation. So nice and bright colors. Guys, these have like this almost, I don't know, like a little shiny overlay on the bottom of the letters that you can see only sometimes. Like it gets picked up like holographic. Okay. Now we've got, guys, they're so squishy. From Bits and Pieces, we've got squishy, puffy stars. Fabricy, puffy, squishy stars. Like how pretty is that orangey one and the yellow one in this? I mean, come on. Ooh. Oh, they're squishy. Guys, I've got to show you these. So we've got a moon and stars. They are hilarious. Hold on. I want them to come out so you can see them. Look at, first of all, very, very shiny, right? But we've got puffiness. Squish, squish, squish. And then the little stars are like fabric backed and they're flatter, but look at that. So those are cool. All right, let's see what else. Oh, these are so cute, guys. Look at, they're shaker little fruits. So we've got a watermelon, pineapple, a strawberry, and another watermelon. But there's like little sequins and glittery bits inside them. Cute. Next, love, 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 love. Guys, same thing, but there's clouds. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So they're little shaker clouds. I mean, come on, that's hilarious, and they're beautiful. The next thing I have, how we have the stars, they're squishy, puffy hearts. I love, you know, it would be so pretty. Guys, and I'm trying not to design while I talk to you, but I do this a lot. You know, because you get your ideas once you start seeing the things. Like, guys, you have this, right? Wouldn't it be gorgeous to just rainbow color your embellishments right across them? Like, totally, okay. Want to do that, but I will get back to what my job is here. And then the last thing I have, I've got a puffy moon, which is amazing, and 2 shaker stars. So that is a bunch of stuff for the Bold and Basic 2 papers, and then a bunch of the a la carte stuff. Now I want to show you the sweater weather kit. It is the October kit. And y'all, I've seen a picture. I want to get into this. All right, so there's all kinds of Simple Stories papers in here. I know that because, you know, you can tell. And I'm going to move the goodies aside for now. So let's get right into it. So they're all Simple Stories Harvest Market, and it is a gorgeous collection. All right, so this side, oh wait, I think there's 2 of each maybe. So I'll be able to show you fronts and backs really easily. Yay, there it is. Okay, so we've got this piece. It's called 3x4 Elements. I mean, the color palette. We've got this gorgeous peach, aqua. We've got like this deep, guys, I mean, this is like an orchidy pink, but what would you call that? Is it like mulberry? I don't know. It's very saturated. I need a sip of my coffee. Hold on. Okay, absolutely gorgeous. One. And the flip side to that one would be the 3x4 Elements. So we've got pieces in here that are gorgeous because you can totally fussy cut them out. Of course, you can leave them as 3x4, but I tend to fussy cut them out. Look at these pumpkins. Look at the pumpkins. Oh my gosh, we picked out pumpkins today, so I'm all excited. Oh my word, look at this scale. That artwork, stunning. And these wordy bits, you can cut them out and layer them up. Sweater Weather, which is the name of the kit. Cute. A big hello. So pretty. Okay, that totally is like a wall or a mulberry color. Our next piece, it is called Pumpkin Days. Gorgeous aqua, a very favorite color on this planet. We've got some orange in here. We've got some pea green. Super great piece of paper. Can totally use it for a background. And the flip side to that is this gorgeous, like, you know, P for pumpkin, S for sunflowers. Guys, look at, if you just look at it like square by square, do you see all the embellishments you can fussy cut out of this? It's pretty astounding. And we can totally do that because we have the full one of these. So I'll be putting this aside to get my fussy cut on. Yes. Okay, so the next piece of paper, it is called Harvest Season, and it is beautiful. There's pumpkins and pumpkins and pumpkins, and these, I have some pumpkins painted that color. Anywho, these are the colors that we would like pumpkins to be. Mulberry and pea green and plaid. Yes, it's an important thing. And the flip side to that is an uber usable plaid. Look at it, it's so pretty. Oh my word, guys, this kit has got my little fingers like itching to craft. The next piece we have, it is called Journal Elements. So once again, we've got all of these pieces. We can fussy cut out good things, or you can use these as big, like dramatic elements on your page. I love this kind of thing, but look at these labels to tuck everywhere. We've got these canning jars. See, we have one here. And we've got another one here that's the same size. So we can totally do something very cool with this. Okay, we have that. And then the flip side to that, look at these pumpkins. And they're on like a bit of a vanilla kind of a background. You can tell the difference when you look right up next to the white, but all of these beautiful little pumpkins on a small scale. Now, oh my goodness, this one's called Nuts About Fall. So same kind of vibe, how we had the pumpkins, we have acorns. They're so cute. Like even this acorn has wood grain on like the bottom part of the acorn, and this one has like graph paper. So pretty, so detailed, love it. Now we've got a big old piece of paper with that mulberry color and like little V's. I was gonna say duck bills, but we'll call them V's, little V's. Here we go. Cute. All right, we have that. Oh, I love this tone. The last piece of paper, it's called Hello Autumn. We've got this gorgeous orange, and it's like close to mac and cheese orange, and it's beautiful and gorgeous, and it's a plaid. And then finally, the backside of that are hexies, and I love hexies. Hexies and I are very good friends. So we've got these gorgeous pieces with all kinds of artwork on the centers. We've got, like, look at this. This bouquet is beautiful. And this little cupcake, it's a cupcake, right? And it has like ledger paper behind it. So beautiful, gorgeous, and perfect. So that's the papers. Now let's get into, I would say let's grab the alpha, but this time we have foam stickers. So I'm gonna go like that so you can see them all. Clearly you've got plenty of titles. And not only do we have titles, but there's like little leafy bits, and we've got a bottle here, a pumpkin, ooh, sunflowers, more leaves, cinnamon. So like anywhere there's extra space, they gave us a goodie. So we have that. Now we've got this great texture piece. Is it wired? Is it wired? Yeah, I think it might be wired, or is it just a little bit, gosh, it feels really cool. So it's stiff, right? But it's got like this fuzzy kind of white stuff going through it. It's very cool. We'll see what we do with that. No idea. Okay, and then let's stay with the fabric-y idea. So these are the frazzle and ribbons. And you know, she has some of the most clever designs of these that she does. So let me get my packaging off. So we've got this really great, like kind of craft color and black with white polka dots, black and white stripe, and a nice mustard and white. How cool is that? And it's more of like a vanilla color. It's not white like you see right here. Very cool. All right. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. This is pretty. I got to open it up. I've got to open it up. It is a very large sunflower. Come on, little guy. It's a gorgeous sunflower. Oh, it has, is that a sticker already? Oh my gosh, it comes with a pop dot, an adhesive pop dot, but look at this sunflower. Totally when you like foof it. We have to foof. There we go. It's more foofed. How gorgeous. And then, oh my gosh. So these are made out of cork. How beautiful. Sweater weather. We have got a maple leaf and a pumpkin. Ooh, those are pretty. Okay, guys, there's so much texture and dimension and like things you don't just see anywhere. Now, look at this title, Happy Fall. That is gorgeous. We've got in a nice orange, Happy Fall. And then, the last thing in this kit, we have got these amazingly gorgeous, I'll get one out. There are 3 like fabric-y pumpkins. We have orange with yellow, pink with yellow, and then this one is like turquoise with pink. And they are totally fabric-y. See with the little diddle. Yeah, it's cute. So we have that. So that is the sweater weather kit. It is chock full of happiness. Now, if you like more stuff, which I do, because we have tons of paper, so I'm going to need more stuff. So, you know, I like my stuff as we discussed. There is, I want to make sure I say what it's called correctly though. There is the sweater weather add-on embellishment kit. And it's right here, so everything will be beautiful together. Let's go ahead and get this out. So they're just embellishments. So these, oh my gosh, they're cork. They're brown cork hearts with hearts in them. Cute. Ooh, and then we have metal leaves, and we have them in a few different, I think it's like 3 different finishes. Bright gold, kind of like a bronzy color, and then silver. Oh, I'm so happy we got another one of these. Last month we had like a pastel-y one. This one is much more autumn toned. They're gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, love those. Oh, and look at the plaid. So we've got puffy hearts and stars in plaid. Fantastic. Look at these. I'll flip it over. We've got a little wood veneer truck. It's already painted with a cute little pumpkin. And then this one, we've got another little truck, but it is red with the wood grain, and there's pumpkins in that one. Oh my gosh. And then, and we have a whole second set of those fabric-y pumpkins. So guys, that's what I have for you today. I might put a note on these that these are part of the embellishment kit, because I'm going to totally forget that when I am crafting. So that's what I have. Links down below for you guys to get your hands on these goodies, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye, friends.